Alright my friends, so I don't know if it's blinking on the camera or not, but it was up the whole way to 91 humidity in here, and I'm happy to say that it actually kept our walls from sweating. So normally our walls sweat about right through here, the whole way through here, even with our vent fan on, but I'm very proud to say that it's helped it. So, my friends, this gets another A+ from me, a 5-star rating. I absolutely love it. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing this dehumidifier. So we got this from Amazon, 78 ounces. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. You get a nice warranty card and a manual. Looks like it's packaged really nice. Nice little handle to pull it out. So this is it. Let's go ahead and peel this sticker off right here. Make sure you take everything off. So, little tip card. If you guys can read that, I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but you can pause the video. Okay, so here's the reservoir right here. Make sure you take this piece off. So that piece comes off. Pull this out. And that's the nice reservoir. So you can hold a nice, decent amount. Take a look on the back here. Here is the plug. You have your controls right up here. It's all touch sensor. So this is actually my second one. This is a different brand. I have another one from another brand, but it's the same exact style. And it's been working perfectly, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But for this, you plug it in and you press the power right here. And once it gets to 50%, it will automatically kick on. You can change your fan speed. So this is nighttime. Automatic. So now the fan's off, because it automatically picks up, or you can have it manual. You have the lights inside here, which we'll go ahead and show you. So as you guys can see, there's a light on inside here, which is really cool, and you can turn that on or off. Now this is a different mode where it goes through different colors. You could set it to stay at that color, or you can press it. So if you want it to stay at a certain color, you just wait until it hits that color and then you press the button again, and that's the color it will stay on, which is really cool. I love it. And then of course you have a timer, so you can set it for however long you want it on. You got 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours, 48 hours, and then off. And it's that simple. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this in our bathroom. So just to show you guys, as you can see, we have the same one. We've had this one for over a year. The same exact style, just different seller. And we've loved that one. That's why we went and got this one from a different seller, but it's the same exact one. So we are super happy with this one. And this one's for our downstairs bathroom. This one kicks on and keeps our walls from sweating. Alright guys, so as you can see under automatic, so it waits until it's 50% to kick on, unless you manually press up here, and then it will run continuously. If you press this button, it runs slower, or this button for automatic. Alright my friends, so I don't know if it's blinking on the camera or not, but it was up the whole way to 91 humidity in here, and I'm happy to say that it actually kept our walls from sweating. So normally our walls sweat about right through here, the whole way through here, even with our vent fan on. But I'm very proud to say that it's helped it. So, my friends, this gets another A+ from me, a 5-star rating. I absolutely love it. It is literally a sweat saver. It's amazing. As you guys can see, and it only pulled in just a little bit of water, and now it will continue to be running until it hits 49%, and then it will turn off until the next time it goes above it.